Welcome, all of you. Welcome. Today we learn about the number system. Number system. What are the numbers? These are counting numbers. First of all, counting numbers means from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are called counting numbers or natural numbers. These are called natural numbers. There is no zero in here. You observe that. Then, what about if we write 0 from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. These numbers are called whole numbers. Whole numbers. These are called natural numbers. So, if you start from 1, there will be no ending number. These numbers are called natural numbers or counting numbers. If we start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, there will be no ending number. So, these numbers are called whole numbers. Then, you write 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and -1, -2, -3, like this. For example, you take 0. Then, what about them next 1, 2, 3, like that. And in the another side, left side, -1, -2, we know that there will be -2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So, there will be, if -2 is, if plus 2 is there, then -2 is also there. If plus 3 is there, -3 is also there. -3 plus 3 is equal to 0. At the same time, plus 4 is right side and -4 is another side, left side. So, there will be exist a number with, that means positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, and so on. And 0 also there. So, these numbers are called integers. These numbers are called integers, denoted as I or Z. These natural numbers are denoted as N, and whole numbers denoted by W, and integers denoted by Z. So, we know these numbers. Suppose N is like this, and then W is like this, and Z is like this. So, these are, so in N is in Z, W is in Z, and N is in W. Both N and W are in Z. So, like that, this is a, we know about the natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. What about the properties of these numbers? We know the properties of these numbers. What are the properties of these numbers? For example, properties of integers. Properties of integers. In this properties of integers, the first property is closure property. Closure property. The first property is closure property. What is closure property? You take, for example, N. N means 1, 2, 3, and so on. And W means 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And Z is integers. These are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on, like this. So, you take closure property first of all. What is closure property? For example, we test in N. Is closure property is permitted. For example, you take two numbers from this. You take 2 and 3. For example, 2 and 3 take from N. You add these two numbers. Add means plus 2 plus 3 is 5. The 5 is also in natural number set. Set of natural belongs to 5. We know. So, you take any two numbers. For example, 4 and 6. Then 10. Addition. 10. 10 is also there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that closure property is accepted in N. So what we write like this, N is closed, we write like this, N is closed under plus means addition. So this is N is closed under addition. Same, you take W, you take any two numbers from these, you take same 2 plus 3 equal to 5, or you take 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. You take 0 and 7 from whole numbers, 0 plus 7 equal to 7. 7 is also in whole number set. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is also. Etc. means there will be more numbers. So 0 plus 7 equal to 7. So we write like this. W means whole number set. W is closed. Closed means closure property. Closed under addition. At the same time, we find out about the Z. You take any two numbers from this. For example, you take minus 2 and plus 3. Minus 2 and 3. What is the answer? 1. 1 is also in Z. You see like this. 1 is also. You take another example. Minus 6 plus 8. 2. 2 is also in like this. So, if you add two numbers from Z, you take two numbers from Z, then add these two numbers, you get a number. This number must be in Z. So, this is also Z is closed under addition. So, we know that about the closure property, we know N is closed under addition, W is closed under addition, Z is closed under addition. So in this like that, we know also Q. In next class, what about Q and the properties in Q? Thank you.